Hi, I'm Miss Mensa, and I coach banking exam candidates through the topics that trip up almost everyone. FX hedging is one of them. Last sitting, only 4 in every 100 candidates passed this question. Today, 2 hedging methods, step by step, with 2 full worked examples. Let's set up the question. A Ghanaian company is trading in US dollars. The spot rate is 12.50 cedis to the dollar. The 3-month forward rate is 12.70. The dollar interest rate is 5% a year. The CD interest rate is 24% a year. Example 1. You're receiving $100,000 in 3 months from a customer abroad. First, the forward hedge. Multiply the dollars by the forward rate, 100,000 times 12.70. That locks in 1,270,000 CDs today. Now the money market hedge. Since you're receiving dollars, you borrow dollars today, enough that, with interest, it grows to exactly $100,000 in 3 months. That's about $98,765. Convert those dollars to CDs right now, at spot. That gives you about 1,234,568 CDs. Invest those CDs for 3 months and let them grow at the CD rate. After 3 months, that becomes about 1,308,642 CDs. Now compare. The money market hedge gives you more because you're receiving money, and more is always better. So here, the money market hedge wins. Example 2. This time, you owe $50,000 to a supplier abroad in 3 months. The forward hedge, lock in the rate and multiply. 50,000 times 12.70. You'll pay 635,000 CDs. The money market hedge. Since you're paying dollars, you need dollars that will mature into exactly 50,000 in 3 months. At the dollar rate, that means you need about $49,383 today. Convert that into CDs at spot. 49,383 times 12.50. That's about 617,284 CDs. Borrow that amount now at the CD rate and repay the loan in 3 months. With interest, the repayment comes to about 654,321 CDs. Compare again. This time, the forward hedge is lower, and when you're paying, lower is better. So here, the forward hedge wins. Here's the trick examiners rely on. Ask yourself one question first. Am I receiving or am I paying? If you're receiving, pick the hedge with the higher amount. If you're paying, pick the hedge with the lower amount. Get that direction right, and the rest is just arithmetic. 2 hedges, 1 simple question, receiving or paying. Get the direction right. Work through the 4 steps calmly, and this becomes one of the easiest marks on the paper. Pause, rewind, and work through both examples again yourself. On AdesuaPro, search Treasury Management and Trade Finance for more practice questions just like this one.